Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Photo tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to delete large files, whether photos or video in your Google Photo. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo. After you open up your Google Photo, go ahead and click on the profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Manage Storage. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Large Photos and Videos. Here you go. Next thing you want to do here is to select as much as possible large photos or video. Like for instance, take a look at this particular video here. It has about 574 megabytes. So I'm going to select on this, and I'm going to select on this, and I'm going to select on this. You can select as many as possible large photos or video file that you have in your backup storage in your Google Photo. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and hit on delete. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on delete right here. Move 3 items to trash. Then go ahead and click on this check mark. I understand that items in Google Photo trash will be permanently deleted after 60 days. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on move to trash. Just like so. With that, I was able to save about 789 megabytes from the storage. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and hit on done. I'm going to go ahead and click on done right here. It's that simple. So you can see now that the storage capacity has been drastically reduced from gigabyte to megabyte. You can go on and review and delete as many as possible large videos or photos in your Google Photo to free up more storage space. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.